So we're going to talk about how to use the hand pieces on our Midmark dental machine. We do have 4 different hand pieces. You have the syringe, which you don't have to set up. It's just automatically there. When you lift it up, it'll be selected. And this does your water and your air and your combo for rinsing. Then you have your piezo head right here. And for that, it will say scaler on here. And then you have your low speed, high speed variable, which is this one here. And then you also have your standard straight high speed. Now how to set this up is fairly simple once you know how to do it. So for the scaler for our piezo, you just lift it up, and on the piece that connects to the machine, there's a little gray dot, and on your hand piece, there's also a little gray dot. Those dots line up, and you just push, and now it's connected. Now you cannot, this is not usable yet, right? We need our piezo tip. So what you do is you find your tip that you want to use. We have different narrow and broad ones. Some people like the narrow ones, some people like the broad ones. I personally like, where are you? The broader one. I don't know, just like it better. And getting this installed correctly is also fairly simple once you're taught how to do it. You do need a secondary piece to put this on, which is this blue thing here. It comes in this box, and this will help make sure that your tip is secure and then you don't lose it. So you just take your hand piece, your piezo tip, and you just insert it on and twist. And then you're gonna wanna take this piece, slip the piezo tip through it, like so, and then spin, and it will tighten it. Just hand tight, you don't need to crank on it. And now this is secure and it's on. Now to disassemble it, you're gonna wanna take your blue thing again, stick it through the hole in the bottom, and just unscrew it. Quick and easy. And then to take this apart, you double check and make sure it's still lined up, and then you just pull off. Don't wiggle it when you pull, because you can break the clips that are inside. You just want to pull straight off. And then this lives in this box with this. It's all good to go. So the next one we have is going to be, which hand piece do I have here? The high-speed hand piece. So this is the high-speed hand piece. It says high-speed on the actual machine. You don't want to mix up your high-speed hand piece and your low-speed device. It's not going to work very well. So the high-speed hand piece is for the drill that the vet's going to use. It comes with this cover on it, so you're just going to pop that off. It's just like a silicone cover. You're going to take your high-speed piece, and it has a bunch of different size circles. So you're just going to line it up with the different size circles that are on your hand piece. Slide it in. Then this piece slides up and you twist. And now you have your drill to put the drill bits in. Goes in here. To release them, you press on this button on the back to pull them out. And then to disassemble it, you press this button, pull out the drill bit, and then you just spin this off. And it's all disassembled. Then you just put the cap back on to keep any dust from getting in the connector holes. And you put it in your container. And now the last one we're going to talk about is the polish head. The polish head is for the low speed, high speed variable. It comes with one of these covers as well. So you just slide it off. You're going to go find your low speed. And you're going to grab your connector to the machine. This coupler kind of slides down. And as you can see, has the holes. You're going to want to line them up. So it's just like that, attached together. Then this just twists on to secure, just like the drill. And now to attach your polish head, there's a button, like a twist down here that has an unlock and a lock. So you're going to want to, I don't know if you can see it, an unlock and a lock. So you're going to want to make sure it's in the unlock position. Now you can put your polish head on. I like to line up, there's a little nubby here that you line up with the gap, just like that. And then you're gonna turn this to a lock. And it's locked on. It's not gonna come off while you're polishing, because you know, in the old style ones that didn't have the locks on them, that happened. And then when you wanna disassemble, you just spin from the lock position to the unlock position, just like that, easy peasy, and it pops right off. Just a quick click to lock and unlock. These are disposable once you use them, just throw them out. And then to take this off, you're just gonna unscrew. It's gonna go in the low speed, and then you just put the cover back on. And there you go. That's how to put on and take off all of the attachments for the dental machines. And this is again, the Midmark dental machines.